Welcome to the Voice of America's News Words.
This word is about bringing something back or rebuilding. Restoration.
Syrians call Palmyra the Pearl of the Desert. Over the last 10 months, ISIS has looted graves, plundered antiquities, and dynamited shrines and temples. With the city back in Syrian hands, a restoration team is ready to begin rebuilding.
Restoration returns something to its former appearance or importance after being damaged or ruined.
The word can describe an effort to restore a building or a property.
Find more news words on our website,
learningenglish.voanews.com.